welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I have for you a Halloween bow tutorial. I hope you enjoy this bow tutorial. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial with someone who would like some help tying bows, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. For this bow, I used 3 different colors of ribbon. Each ribbon is 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire. So with my first color, I am just taking it and I am going to cut it into 3 strips at 24 inches. So my first color, 3 strips at 24 inches. You will want to use ribbon with wire to make your bow because the loops will stand up, the bow just holds its shape better, and it's easier to work with. Now I'm working on my second color of ribbon, so I'm only going to cut 2 strips of this color ribbon at 24 inches. You can use whatever color ribbon that you would like. I am just making this bow to go on a pumpkin. I'm making a pumpkin topper for it, so I needed this bow to go on it, and I'll add a picture of that at the end. Now I'm using my third color ribbon, and I'm going to cut 2 strips with it also at 24 inches. When you get finished cutting your ribbon, you should have 7 strips total at 24 inches. Now you can cut all 7 strips with the same color or use 2 colors or do like I did here and use 3 colors, just so you have 7 strips cut at 24 inches. You'll need your scissors and a zip tie also. This is so simple to make, so take a strip of ribbon and you're going to fold it down about 1/3 of the way. Make a loop, pinch it together, and leave about 1.5 inches below your finger. So you've made your first loop, and it's about a 4-inch loop. Take your second strip, same steps. You can measure each time if you would like, and pinch at the 4-inch mark. Just remember to leave a little bit of ribbon below your fingers. Now I'm going to get my third color. Same steps. I'm just going to fold the ribbon down and make a 4-inch loop. Just going to pinch it together and add it on top of the other loops and keeping it nice and tight in my left hand. And I'm going to do the same thing with all 7 strips, trying to make the loops the same size each time. Now I'm going to take my zip tie, go just above my fingers, and I am going to zip tie my ribbon together. Here I'm trimming off the extra part of the zip tie. Then we're going to dovetail the ends, fold the end in half with the edges to the left side, go to the folded side, cut away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. It just kind of dresses up your bow, or you can just cut it at a slant or a knife cut if you prefer. So make sure you do all of the ends. Next is time to fluff your bow. So I like to start with the tails, so just kind of fan out and spread the tails of your bow. So spread them out, and then you're just going to take your hand and stick your hand in each loop and kind of open it up and fluff and shape your bow. Sometimes it takes just a little while to get your bow shaped just like you want, but just be patient. I did have to trim the tails a little bit shorter because when I put it on my pumpkin, they just hung down a little bit too long. So I went back and did trim all of the tails shorter on this bow. I have lots of bow tutorials on my YouTube channel. I even have a bow playlist. There's lots of different ways to tie a bow and lots of different styles of bows. So if you don't like this bow, check out that playlist, or if you'll describe the type bow you're wanting to see, I can try to link a tutorial for you. This bow is perfect for lanterns, pumpkin toppers, wreaths, garlands, just about any DIY that you can think of. A bow just adds that extra pop. So I hope you enjoyed watching me make this bow. It's so simple to make. Remember, cut your ribbon at 24 inches, and all you need is 7 strips, and you can use 1 color, 2 color, or 3 colors. It's up to you, or I guess you can use more than 3 if you want, but it's up to you. Just be patient and take your time.